Hello, my name is Annissa Roberts, and I work at the Lithonia-Davidson Library, and I do adult programming. Today we're going to make Speedy lunch wraps, and here's an example of what one will look like once I've completed the wrap. So to get started, we're going to take just a simple flour tortilla, and the thing about these wraps, they can be very versatile, meaning you can opt for vegetarian, all the vegetables that you desire, but this particular wrap today is going to be made with turkey. So the first thing I'm going to do is, and I didn't quite measure out anything I should say, because it's basically to what type of filling you would like in your wrap. So I purchased Philadelphia onion and chive spread. This is very good, and it also helps with sealing your wrap. So you just take some out and you just spread it around. I'm working with one hand. As you can see, I have a thumb injury I'm dealing with. So you just thinly spread this onion and chive Philadelphia cheese spread onto your tortilla. Then, after you've done that, I will go ahead at this point, take my turkey. It's just whatever type of turkey, whatever type of lunch meat you desire for your wrap. Okay, just layer it there. Really simple. This is really simple and easy for a kid to make. Okay, then I will go with a little lettuce. I like this particular lettuce because I like the colors. Red onion, and again I just cut up some slices because it's to whatever you would like inside your wrap. If you want your wrap to be a little more meaty, have a little bit more vegetable, it's really your preference. Also, I sliced up a few bell peppers. I'm just going to layer 3. Just going to layer 3 there. A little black pepper. And then you want to add, oh, I'm sorry, forgot cheese. Very important. So I'm going to actually split my cheese. Again, you can do it however you like. And then just drizzle a little ranch dressing or whatever type of dressing you may prefer. Now this is going to be a little tricky for me because, like I said, I'm working with one hand. So you're going to want to fold this, and again it's going to get a little bit messy. And you just squeeze everything into this pocket. At this point, I would add just a little bit more of the cheese spread, and my reason for doing that, it helps to seal it. Then you just fold in your pockets, and this can get a little messy, but you know, it's a fun little snack, fun little lunch snack. And then you just simply slice it. And voila, there's lunch. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Until we meet again, take care and be safe.